Hi guys, it's Matt here, Appliance Testing Supplies. We've got a quick video here of the unboxing of the Seaward PAC3760 DL appliance tester. When we open up the box, what we'll find is the tester itself, nicely wrapped up in bubble wrap. We have a transit case for the tester itself and all the test leads. Everything actually fits in there quite nicely, and you can actually get a pack of tags in there too. Underneath the casing, or the cardboard casing here, we have all the test leads and download leads you need. So we've got the red IEC lead, that's your extension leads, power boards and the like. We've got the USB download lead. This machine does have memory, so you need to get the data off the machine using this. We have a set of 6 alkaline batteries, which are easily replaceable when these things go flat. The main supply lead, so when you're running leakage current or run testing, you'll need this test lead. We have a crocodile clip and probe set for your earth return. So that's interchangeable between the probe and the clip. We have the tester's instructions, and inside the instructions we have a certificate of conformity, pretty much stating that the tester meets the Australian standards as per the manufacturer's requirements. And lastly, there is a support CD with the downloading software in there too. So that's everything in the kit. Thanks guys.